All right, so it's a few minutes till market open, around 1 minute or so. So looking at gold, man, you see price got all the way up here and sweep liquidity. Honestly, I'm quite bearish. I'm gonna be honest, looking into the morning. Um, but I mean, there's not too much to go off. I'm quite bearish right now. We got this Fibonacci from here to here. See it tap back into 75%, slam down, and it taps this area, sweeps the liquidity up here, lower high, and then pushes down strongly. And now we're just seeing price create good structure on this. I don't know if there's a trend line here. Yeah, but price is creating good structure on the 1 minute. But really good structure actually. I'm not sure because if I was bullish, I'd be, but I think I am quite bullish. I think I am bullish right now. But considering we did see price tap into this major area, I'm gonna need to see something, you know. I'm gonna need to have an invalidation point. So, I mean, I think I'll be looking for trades probably like down here at this area for buys. Because we created all this liquidity up here for price to seek. And we got this nice Fibonacci price tapped into the 50% level. It's creating a higher low right now. Like if I see a break above here, I'm gonna look for buys. And then if I see a break below here, I'm probably gonna wait longer until price taps down here to wait for buys. But if price breaks above here, I'm gonna start looking for buys and probably target. Well, on the other side, we haven't even swept any of Asia liquidity. So we have all of this we could go seek. See if we have any news coming out today. 10th. 8:15, nothing crazy. Okay, that is something. 10 o'clock. Alright, so we do have something. I think I will look for sells. I'm gonna enter in something like this. See. Entering something like this, I guess. price down here, just because I'm confident we're at least gonna get here before making any sort of movement. Yeah, I am kind of bullish. I mean, bearish. I am looking for price to go to the downside, honestly, cause like I don't know, we're not seeing price really do anything here. I think we need. I think the news is gonna really push us, honestly. But I do think we're gonna move down first. Like definitely move down first. So that's how I was confident enough to enter a sell in the first place. So I mean, we have this area of supply down here, I guess. Demand, I mean, as well. So I mean, depending on how price reacts when price gets down here, will really dictate whether what I think will happen. Honestly, so if we see price like tap here and then wick up, then I'll be looking for buys. But if we see price continue slamming down, then I'm gonna be looking for retracement, then push down again. So. But yeah, I mean, buys do look good, but from this area, we had such a strong reaction, you know? I just don't know if we're gonna see price. If price wants to break above the area, it will. That's what I've learned. Like if price wanted to like break below this area, it would. Like I remember trading this and I saw price was at this area and it kept tapping, but I was so bearish. But if price really wanted to break below it, it would have, but it didn't. So yeah. So I'm probably gonna just stay in this. I do want to hold for a little bit longer, just in case we do see price just slam down, but I'm not sure. I don't think I will. But yeah, considering we do have news, I am gonna move my stop loss to break even here, because I don't want to just get railed by price. But yeah, so I mean, we'll see. This news will probably move us quite a bit, so we'll see how we react. But I'll probably come back once news starts or once news is about to drop, and we'll see. But NQ, I mean, everything's just dropping, honestly. So I don't know. We'll see though. We'll see. Okay, I'll be back once news drops. Alright, so unfortunate news. Looking on what I'm saying. Yeah. I'll be talking I ended up exiting up here, but I'm like, alright, we saw deep reaction. and also the 75% real quick to close about the area. Enough confirmation for me. This is an A plus setup. Really good trade amount. And we're now on the second not having my TP above this area because I'm not sure if probably my base hit. So just want to take base hits. This is what the trade is all about. Stick to the strength. Stay in basics. And Q and EF. I'm not too sure. Not really trading. Alright, so that's a little update for the video. We did end up seeing price hit a TP. We're seeing price rally strongly up. I'm not sure what's causing this reaction. Possibly something with news related. Nothing came out yet. Yeah, nothing's really came out. So let's see. There was news, something else that I'm not sure if this affected anything. It was low, so doubt it did anything. There is more news coming out later that will affect price, so I'm glad we got out now. Am I really looking for any more trades? Honestly, not really. I mean, we got these trades out. I don't really care to trade anymore. So I'm gonna take the dub and go off with my day. Going about my day. Yeah, really good trade. I mean, we saw what we wanted to see. Got this. This wasn't the most A plus setup. We didn't need to enter this at all, and we kind of got screwed here. This price just tapped like one tick off. Like, this is insane. Should have had it right. I wanted to have it right here, but I exited in profit regardless. So yeah. But we end up seeing price just rally up, and I wanted to see price push down, but I mean, we had our invalidation set up that those criteria weren't met, so they were met. Price did push below this, but it didn't push below this. Once we saw price, I moved the Fibonacci. That's what looks weird. A lot of things on this. Hold on. Yeah, so once we saw price tap here, we saw it close back into the range, confirming our bias. Maybe in the future, what I could do is have partial TP. So this would be a partial TP1, and this would be partial TP2 or TP2. But I mean, I'm not mad with it. It's just I don't want to get in the mind space where I get greedy that I didn't take more. You know what I mean? Because it's so easy to get caught up in that. Like, dang, I could have taken more and I didn't. You know, it's so easy to get caught up in that, and I don't want to. So I'm just going to stick with what I can get, which this I'm confident I could get with price. So yeah. Pretty good 8 a.m. session or pre-market session. It's not even 9:30 yet, and I love trading pre-market. Like, I feel like we see so many more setups pre-market. Like with this the liquidity sweep up here, like you just don't see this stuff during market open. Like market open is so much more volatile. This is chiller, and you're gonna see volatility during this time. So yeah, um, yeah, that's basically it for today. Going to we saw price run. We did see price retrace a little bit. This is expected. I was going to scale back in if I saw price tap into this area right here, because this is the area that price, as we know, one of my um criteria for entries are price tapping back into the zone it broke above. So if price did this, price did this, boom, 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 broke structure, and it retraced back here into this zone right here. That's a pretty good confirmation for me for gold, especially for gold, because gold tends to do that a lot. And once it taps back into the area, it will be moving. So if we saw price do that, I was going to enter for buys because it just short buys because and I saw a wick as well, like it did here. Just strong criteria for entry, but we did see price just continue up. I'm not even gonna touch a trade at that point. But yeah, that was just something I was looking at. But yeah, that's basically it for today. Got a quick sell down to here. I'm gonna count this as a TP hit because it really was a TP hit. Honestly, it's just like I mean I can't you can't make this up. Like it needed one more point or something. But yeah, we had our pre-market buys. You guys were able to see everything unfold from the start. Um, but yeah, that's basically it. That's today. And yeah, let's see NQES. I mean, I got nothing for these. I mean, I guess I could um demo them. I don't want to live trade ES though. I don't know. We can. We can. So for ES, I mean NQ, I said ES. NQ are pretty. You know, less time I spend on the charts, the better off I am. So I'm just gonna leave um off with this trade right here. So yeah, that's basically it for today. Catch you guys tomorrow. I will be recording and yeah.